दोस्तों वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या MLM पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello friends and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, in this video I am going to tell you about the complete details of such an amazing concept which is based on trading platform, and herein you can earn a very good income for yourself as well as you can make your future financially stable here. So without taking any more time, if we directly talk about the company, so the name of this company is TronMax and its official website is www.tronmax.live. So here at the very first, if we talk about the complete profile of this company, so TronMax is an international platform which is specially designed for new generation financial players. Friends, this is a 100% decentralized system with the TronMax contract in the Tron cryptocurrency. And soon after, if we talk about what is Tron, so Tron is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right now, its price is quite low, so it's a golden opportunity for you to purchase and you can earn good income opportunity in future, because here you will get 200 time return for your present investment. So friends, moving ahead and without wasting any more time, let us directly talk about the amazing business plan of this company. So firstly, I am going to tell you that how can you join yourself with this amazing concept and how can you start your earning. So for this purpose, the company is providing a joining package which you can purchase or which you can take only for 250 TRX. So once you successfully enroll with this joining package, after that you can earn around 4 types of income from this platform, which are direct referral income, level income, upgrade sponsor income, and global matrix pool income. So here firstly let us talk about the first type of income, which is the direct sponsor income. So here you will get 40% as your direct sponsor income. For example, if you sponsor any person or for your every direct sponsor, you will get 100 TRX from each person, and also you can sponsor unlimited direct to get unlimited income from this amazing income type. After this, here the second type of income is the level income. So friends, under this income, you can get an amazing TRX income from around 20 levels. So here with the help of a table, let us understand this complete details. So here in level 1, you will get 2 TRX. Level 2, you will get 2 TRX. In level 3, you will get 2 TRX. Level 4, 2 TRX. In level 5, you will get 2 TRX. In level 6, you will get 1 TRX. And moving ahead, like the same process, you will get some particular TRX from each level. So like this, from all these 20 levels, you can earn a total of 25 TRX from here. So moving ahead, let us take an working example for the same of level income. So here in level 1, when you have total 10 members in your team, you will get 2 TRX from each person, so that your net income will be 20 TRX. In level 2, when there are total 100 members in your team, you will get 2 TRX from each person, so that your net income will be 200 TRX. After that, when you are in level 3, then here on having 1000 members in your team, you will get 2 TRX from each member, so that your net income will be 2000 TRX. After that, when you are in level 4 and when you have total 10,000 members in your team, so you will get 2 TRX from them each, so that your net income will be 20,000 TRX. On reaching level 5, when you have total 1 lakh members in your team, you will get 2 TRX from them each, so that your net income from here will be 2 lakh TRX. So friends, like this, by following the same concept and the similar procedure, when you reach up to level 20, you can earn around 50,000 crore TRX from here as your amazing net income. So here, by moving ahead, let us talk about the next type of income, which is the upgrade sponsor income. So here, 5% of each pool upgrade income will be received by the sponsoring upline or the immediate upline. And after this income, let us talk about the fourth and the last type of income, which is the global matrix pool income. So friends, this type of income is included with many types of matrix pools like the silver, gold, platinum, ruby matrix pool and many more, through which you can earn a very amazing net income for you. So if we talk about this in detail, so here first of all we are going to discuss about the silver matrix pool. So here firstly, when you are having a team of 2 members and when your investment is total 125 TRX each, then the total turnover will be 250 TRX, the upgrade amount will be 200 TRX. Here, the sponsor income is 12.5 TRX and you will get a net income of 37.5 TRX from here. Secondly, when you are having a team of 4 members and their investment is 200 TRX each, then the total turnover will be 800 TRX. The upgrade amount will be 600 TRX. Sponsor income here is 40 TRX and you will get a net income of total 160 TRX from this second level. So like this, when we talk about the total net income which you can get from the Silver Matrix pool, so you will get 197.5 TRX as your total net income from the Silver Matrix pool. After that, when you upgrade, you will enter in the Gold Matrix pool. And first of all, when you are having a 2 members team here and when their investment is 600 TRX, then your total turnover will be 1200 TRX. Like this, you will upgrade for the next series which will be upgraded by 900 TRX. Sponsor income here is 60 TRX and you will get a net income of 240 TRX from this level. Secondly, when you are having a team of 4 members and their investment is 900 TRX each, so here your total turnover will be 3600 TRX. Then you will upgrade for the next matrix with 3000 TRX and here is sponsor income is 180 TRX and you will get a total net income of 420 TRX from this second level. Like this, if we talk about the total net income which you can get from this Gold Matrix pool, so you will get 660 TRX as your total net income. Once you upgrade here, then you will enter in the next matrix pool, that is the Platinum Matrix pool. Here, firstly, when you are having a team of 2 members with 3000 TRX investment each, so here total turnover will be 6000 TRX, out of which 5000 TRX will be the upgrade amount for the next series. Here, the sponsor income is 300 TRX and you will get a net income of total 700 TRX from here. After that, secondly, when you are having a team of 4 members and the investment is 5000 TRX each, so that the total turnover will be 20,000 TRX, you will upgrade for the next matrix with 15,000 TRX. Sponsor income is 1000 TRX and you will get a total net income of 4000 TRX from this level. Like this, if we talk about the total net income which you can get from this Platinum Matrix pool, so you can get a total of 4700 TRX as your net income from this matrix pool. So friends, like this, many other matrix pool also appears after this, like the Ruby Matrix pool in which you will get 13,500 TRX as your total net income. After that, it appears the Diamond Matrix pool in which you will get around 81,500 TRX as your net income. After that, there is Royal Matrix pool in which you will get total 6,90,000 TRX as your total net income. And at the last, the Amazing Matrix pools appear, which is the Crown Matrix pool, from which you can get around 1,59,50,000 TRX as your total income. So similarly, if we talk about the total income which you can earn from this entire global matrix pool, so here the sponsor income is around 13,07,592.5 TRX and you can earn around 1,67,40,557.5 TRX as your unimaginable and huge net income. So friends, these were all the amazing income types of this amazing concept. Now moving ahead, I want to tell you about some terms and conditions which are issued by this company. So here, no direct referral is required for withdrawal. Here minimum withdrawal is 100 TRX and maximum withdrawal no limit is there. 2 direct sponsors are required for entry in global matrix pool income. Investment and withdrawal are in TRX form only. Also, levels of global matrix pool will upgrade automatically. However, you can also upgrade all levels of global matrix pool manually in advance. Here, the admin charges are 10% which are deducted on your total withdrawal amount. So friends, in this complete video, I told you about the entire business plan of this amazing concept in which you get to know about the business profile, types of income and terms and conditions of this platform. So as I informed you already, this platform can prove as a life-changing opportunity for you, wherein you can have a very good profit for yourself and also you can make your future financially stable. So if you also want to have a maximum benefit from here, so you can register your joining as soon as possible. For joining here, you can contact on the details given in the description or else you can visit their website which is www.tronemax.live. Thank you.